So we've got gray, white, yellow, black, and orange. All the packaging looks pretty good, and they've still got a good amount of vacuum in there. Let's check out the dimensional accuracy now. So they're not wound perfect, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Let's see, so it looks like, don't see, at least in the first wrapping, any sign of tangling. It's usually in the first few rounds that you see it. All right, now let's check out the dimensional accuracy. All right, so it looks like they're all within about 0.03 millimeters deviation from the 1.75 millimeters. Pretty good. Definitely not bad at all. Now let's go ahead and check out some test prints. So here are the sample prints from the LonenessL PLA Filament. Came out pretty good. I had a clog that I had to fix in the middle of these, so a few of them aren't perfect, but they still work, do what they're supposed to do. They're little battery crates. Color's nice. This gray is nice and soft. It's not like a hard gray. White's good. It's definitely a nice standard white color. Yellow's good. This would be cute making some little Pikachu or something like that. Like the black, it's got a little bit of a shine. And then the orange, because it's Halloween soon, I thought this was appropriate. Little pumpkin I designed. Jack-o'-lantern, I guess I should say. Yeah, ultimately these came out pretty good. No big issues that I noticed with bad filament, so definitely good value for the money. This is their bundle 5 kilogram pack, which with one of all these colors. So give it a try if you want to try some budget filament. Cute little crates. Ultimately, the PLA from LonenessL is pretty good. It's a good budget filament from Amazon. If you're looking for a budget filament, I definitely recommend giving it a try to see what you think for yourself. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Feel free to check out my other videos reviewing other filaments. Have a good day. Peace.